All right, number 3, we're told that B is a subset of A. Okay. In this term, when it says B subset of A, that could mean a bunch of different things. Okay. It could mean that we have a diagram and A is a big circle and B could be completely contained in A. Okay, so it could be like this. Or they could be equal because of that equal to symbol. Okay, so it could be A and then B could be pretty much the same set. So this would be A and B can be like behind it. Okay, so A and B could be equal. So it could be all the way in contained, or they could be the same, exact same thing. So the simplest expression for A intersect B. Okay. So here's what we're looking at. If I were to do shading and I take the circle A, which is all of this, and then I intersect B, so now I'm going to shade the B part only with this other color. Okay, the part that's double shaded is the intersection. Okay, so that would be just B. Okay, in this case, if I did A and B, it could be still be A or B, but both cases would say B, because if I shaded A, I would shade out everything if they're both the same. If I shaded B, I would shade everything which is the same. So here I'm seeing B. If they're equal, it could be A or B. In either case, B shows up. Okay, so the simplest form of A intersect B, if we know that B is a subset of A, would be to represent it by the capital letter B. You have to be careful. If you put lowercase b, it will count it wrong, okay, because normally capital letters represent sets. Okay, so the notation is important. Capital B would be the simplest form. All right, now we're going to look at A union B. Okay, so if I were adding these together, so union would take A and add it to B, and since B is already contained in A, I'm still going to just end up with the big set A, because everything that is in B is already in A. So it's another picture. Here's A, here's B. I would shade A. I'm saying the big circle is A, the little circle is B. I would shade A, and I would shade B. And basically, when I do union, I want everything, all of it, both together. So all together is just A. And if they were both the same over here, if I had A and then B was also the same circle, this is A and this is B, they're equal. When I shade this, call it A and B, I still get either or. I can call it A or I can call it B. And this time, both times, it's just A that's showing up. Because if I say B, I'm not getting everything that's shaded. So A would be the simplest way to express A intersect B if we know that it's a subset.